Okay, y'all. I had to use up my extra shrimp, so I took the noodles that my sister-in-law made and just added it with it. So I seasoned up the shrimp the other day. The garlic, yeah, the garlic, some surf and turf, lemon pepper, and gave it a mix. And I just had it in the fridge. And I'm like, okay, I got to use them. So garlic oil, yes, and some garlic butter. That's what I'm gonna cook the shrimp in. And I'm trying to remember what she called this dish with the noodles. I want to say she said chow mein, but this time she didn't have all the ingredients she normally use. But I'm like, okay, I'll take it anyway because I can add to it. Anyway, so again, I'm cooking the shrimp in garlic oil and garlic butter. Yeah, it's going to be pouring out of our skin. Yeah, pouring the garlic. Yeah, we love it. I do. Into way, okay? I do. Okay, get back to it. Okay, they done. Enough for me anyway. I don't want them. No rubbery shrimp. I don't. So, taking them out, leaving that butter and oil in the pan. I added a little more garlic butter down. I'm gonna warm up these noodles and bring in some more garlic flavor. Again, I think she called it chow mein. I know she got some ginger, broccoli, the noodles. I think she did soy sauce, carrots. I'm not sure everything, but yeah, I added a little more soy sauce. I forgot what she told me she didn't have this time for it, but that's okay. It'd be good. Yeah. All you gotta do is season up to your taste. That's all. And for me, it's the garlic. Yeah. Okay, the shrimp going back in. My noodles, the chow mein noodles or whatever this dish is. It's warm enough. And I'm just, mixing it in. Yes, like that. Oh, yes, y'all. Did a plate for the hubby, a piece of garlic bread, and yeah, that should be good, right? Yes? No? Yes.